Papers AI just dropped, and there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Because while it looks like just another AI writing tool, it's got a few surprises that might actually change the way you work online. And yeah, you can try it completely free and from the first link in the description, no credit card needed. But there's something about how it handles sources and citations that makes it a serious contender, especially if you do research, blogging, or SEO. I'll break that down in just a second. First off, Papers AI isn't a ChatGPT clone. It's built specifically for people who need fact-based, research-backed content. Think students, marketers, bloggers, or anyone who wants fast AI written articles that actually link to real sources. This is the first big win. Every output comes with live citations from real websites, studies, and data-backed sources. You don't need to copy-paste and double-check everything. It's done for you. And yes, the links work. Second, this isn't just for writing essays or academic stuff. You can create all long-form blog posts, SEO articles, even video scripts, with a structure that already includes headlines, bullet points, and properly linked sources. That's a game changer if you're in content marketing or digital publishing and want to rank on Google with trustworthy material. Third, speed. It's faster than most tools I've tested, especially when generating 1,000 plus word content. You enter your topic or headline, adjust tone and type of content, like informative, persuasive, or neutral, and within 30 seconds, you've got something you could publish today. Now let's talk customization. Unlike some AI tools that box you in, Papers AI gives you real control. You can choose writing tones, content goals, and even edit in line while keeping source links intact. It doesn't overwrite your work unless you tell it to. That's perfect if you want AI to do the heavy lifting but still keep your unique voice. Here's where it gets really interesting. Real-time fact-checking. Most AI tools spit out decent content, but you still have to validate it. Papers AI pulls Conseil live web data into the article, so it's quoting updated sources and studies, not stale 2022 data. This is especially helpful if you're writing anything with stats, trends, or legal regulatory details. Another key point, no fluffersy. It doesn't give you generic AI-sounding paragraphs. Everything feels tight, structured, and context-aware. I even tested it against Jasper and Writersonic. And for research-heavy content, Papers AI won, hands down. Last thing, and this might be the most underrated part, you can export the entire piece with sources to Google Docs, Notion, or WordPress with one-click app. No formatting nightmares. You could literally research, write, and publish in 15 minutes. Bottom line, if you're someone who creates content regularly and you're tired of vague AI tools, Papers AI might be the most useful AI software released this year, especially for bloggers, students, agencies, or newsletter writers. And again, you can try Papers AI completely free, using the first link in the description. It's one of those tools where 5 minutes of testing will tell you everything. If you're curious about which other AI tools I recommend after testing thousands, you'll find my full list in the description too, all free to try.